Hello students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lux International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4, Exponents and Power of class 8th Mathematics. In previous video we have solved exercise number 4.1 and 4.2. In this video we will solve exercise number 4.3. First we will see the concepts expressing very small numbers in the standard form or scientific form. Now suppose we have 52 divided by this number, suppose. Okay, so first we will write 52 divided by, now we have to write this number in 10 raised to the power. So first we will count the number of 0 in the given number. What are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 zeros, so 10 raised to the power 12. Okay, so here we have written. Now 52 multiply, here it is in divide form. Now when we write in multiplication form, this sign will become of negative power, that is 52 into 10 to the power minus 12. Now if we write in the standard form, that is 5.2 into, now if we have decimal point in between the two numbers, here you can see one number is after decimal point, so 10 to the power minus 11 here it is. Okay, if it is in plus, we will write 10 to the power, if there is 10 to the power 12, we will write 10 to the power 13, means we add plus 1. Now comparing very big and very small numbers, suppose you have to compare the two numbers, that is 2.56 into 10 to the power 17 and 1.28 into 10 to the power 16. We will find its ratio, so we will write here. Now you can see, if these number have is division form, the base is same, so we can subtract the power, means 17 minus 16, so 10 raised to the power 1 only. Now 2.56 divided by 1.28, here it is written into 10 now. Okay, now 1.28, this will be cut by 2, the number of 2, so 2 into 10, that is 20. This will be your answer. So like this you can solve. Now exercise number 4.2, we will solve. Question number 1, write the following numbers in the standard form. Now we will write them. How you can write? We just write, see, 576, this is the actual number. Now see how many 0 are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 10 raised to the power 8. Now we have to write in standard form. So standard form, what will be 5.76 into, here you can see after decimal point there are two numbers, so we have to increase in the power also, that will become 10 raised to the power 10 now. So this is solved now. So like this you have to solve. Now question number 2 we will see. 0.00 whatever it is in 68. Now what we will write? First we will calculate the 0. Let me calculate that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 zeros, so 68 into 10 to the power minus 11. Why minus 11? Because there is decimal point here. Now when we write 6.8 here, there will be minus 30. Now in the same manner you have to solve question number 3. Now question number 4, 36 multiply, how many zeros are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 raised to the power 9. Now 3.6, when we will, you have to increase in 1 0, so this will be your answer, 3.6 into 10 to the power 10. So you have to practice this question, then you will get easily. Now question number 2, write the following in the usual form. Now you have to write them in usual form. In previous we have learned how to write in standard form. Now we will write in usual form. So 7.2 into 10 to the power 6. How we can write this? 7.2 into 10 to the power 6 means 60. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 72. Now here when we remove the decimal point, 1 0 is also removed, so 1 2 3 4 5. This will be our answer. Now 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 9. So for minus 9 there will be 8 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Why 8 0? Because you can see here is one decimal point here, so 0.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now question number 3, 1.36 into 10 to the power 4. Now you can see there are two after decimal point, two numbers and after decimal point. So how you can write? 136. Then here is minus 2 because here are the 2 digit after decimal point, so 2 zeros only remaining. So 13600 will be the answer. So like this you have to solve. All the answers are given here. Practice this question. Now question number 3, the mass of 3 boulders is 1.6 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram, 2.5 into 10 to the power 2 kilogram, and 3.2 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram. Find the total mass of 3 boulders. Okay, first we will convert them in usual form. They are in the standard form, so first we will convert them in usual form. So what will be 1.6 into 10 to the power 3? It will become 1600. Second, 2.5 into 10 to the power 2 means 250. Now 3.2 10 to the power 3 means 3200. Now you have to add them. 0 5 6 2 to 10 0. Now 3 4 5 5050 will be the answer. Now you can write in the standard form also. How you can write? 5.05 into, when we will mention here decimal point, you can see we have to write in 3 power. Now question number 4, the size of the bacterium is 5.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and the size of plant cell is 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5. Compare the two size. Now size of bacterium is this and size of plant cell is this one. Now we have to write them in usual form, so here we have written them in usual form. Now you can easily compare them. So while comparing them, the size of plant cell is bigger. The size of plant cell is bigger. Why? Because there are you can see this one is the bigger number as compared to this one. There are more zeros as compared to second number. Now question number 5, the distance between 3 celestial bodies A, B and C, where B lies between A and C, are as follows. Distance between A and C is 2.6 into 10 to the power 13 meter, and between A and B is 3.8 into 10 to the power 10 meter. Find the distance between B and C. So 3 celestial bodies are lie between B, where B lies between A and C. So distance between A and C is given already, that is 2.6 into 10 to the power 13 meter. Distance between A and B is also given. Now we have to find out the distance between B and C. So we just have to subtract them. What? We have to subtract AC minus AB, the distance between A and C and the distance between A and B. So 2.6 into 10 to the power 13 minus 3.8 into 10 to the power 10. So first we will write them in usual form. Without usual form also you can solve in the standard form also. So 2600 into 10 to the power 10. Why we write here? We just have to mention the same power and same exponential form, that is 10 to the power 10. So 2600 minus 3.8. okay, so when you will solve you will get 2596 into 10 to the power 10, because it is same in both the numbers. So the distance between B and C is 2.56.2 into 10 to the power 10 meter. Here we have completed chapter number 4, exponents and power. Now in the next video we will start chapter number 5. Till that you have to practice all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.